When designing, there are many times when you need to draft common patterns that contain geometry that is duplicated. You can use the different array commands to copy objects in a repeatable pattern. There are three types of arrays: rectangular, polar, and path. The best part of the arrays in AutoCAD is that they are associative. What this means is that after you create your array, you can very easily make changes to it, and even cooler, you can copy it and change the new array configuration to something very different from the original array. Let's say you're designing office cubicles, and in each cubicle, you want to copy around the furniture that is the same in each cubicle. To do this manually, you could use the copy command to copy around the different furniture items needed for each cubicle. However, if the cubicle changes and you need to change the pattern of the furniture, you would have to move and copy the furniture all around again. Instead, you would use the rectangular array command to perform this process. Arrays can also be copied, and the new array can be completely different. In the first example, we started with a 4-row by 2-column rectangular furniture array, but changed it to add a different set of rows and columns. We can even change the rotation in objects in the second array on the right. Talk about a time saver. Once you have created an array, you can select it, and a contextual ribbon appears, allowing you to change the specific parameters defining the array. Within the contextual ribbon is the ability to edit the original array and add additional objects to it. Let's say we forgot to add a lamp to this array. With a few picks and clicks from the contextual ribbon, you could very easily insert the specific item that you need into the array and then save it, and notice how it updates in every single object that is part of the array. That is really cool. In addition to the contextual ribbon, grips will also appear to aid you in editing an array. If you hover over the different grips, a multifunctional grip menu appears, allowing you to change the various parameters of the array. There are so many cool and automated things that you can do with arrays, and we've just touched the surface. For instance, arrays not only work with 2D objects, but 3D as well. Below is a drawing of a building with floors, columns, a pond, and some trees. Now, it looks like there are a few hundred objects in this drawing. Guess what? There are 4. The columns are a rectangular array. The floors are a rectangular array. The trees, you guessed it, a path array. And lastly, the pond is simply an AutoCAD region. And just to pique your interest, if we look at the layout in this drawing, the views, top, front, and isometric, are completely automated by the 3D objects that we just created. So as you can see, with a little bit of thinking out of the box, arrays can be almost anything.